Hello guys, this is Gayatri Negi and I'm an intern in Lexis & Company and you're watching LexClick. In this video, I will talk about the non-disclosure agreement. What is a non-disclosure agreement, what are its type, and what is the benefit of having an NDA. It is also called NDA, that is non-disclosure agreement. So a non-disclosure agreement establishes a confidential relationship between two or more parties and safeguards the information they exchange from public disclosure. A non-disclosure agreement is a contract that specifies which data is private and to what extent it may be disclosed to third parties. It may be signed by an individual or a businessman or a business. Trade secret, corporate strategies, plans, diagrams, and other items are examples of confidential information. Non-disclosure agreements are preferred by companies or corporations when they get into any dealing or transaction with other companies. They give the parties the freedom to exchange personal data without worrying that their rivals would obtain it. It might be referred to as a consensual NDA in this situation. It has various types. One could be unilateral NDA, where only one party is called to reveal its data to the other party. Second is bilateral NDA, is a mutual NDA call for both parties to divulge their private information to one another. Third, it could be a multilateral NDA where three or more parties sign a multilateral NDA or multi-party NDA. At least one of them must reveal data or details to the other parties. What is the benefit of signing an NDA? First, it builds trust. If anyone's business or corporation has a lot of valuable sensitive information that one is hesitant to disclose or share with other parties, then NDA are appropriate for one person, for that person. There is confidentiality. The primary benefit of NDA is the confidentiality of sensitive company information. This may involve various things such as R&D, finance, discussion, perhaps future patents. Secret information is kept secret by signing an NDA. It ensures clarity. The confidential matter for which the non-disclosure agreement is engaged is expressly described in a confidential clause of the agreement. There is a specification of information which is not to be shared by the person signing it. Say it has safeguard trade secret. One of the most popular method of securing trade secrets or other sensitive information is an NDA. One is typically requested from experts and agencies to safeguard trade secrets. Then it improves relationship with clients. Business that collaborate on projects with third parties require their workers to sign NDA, limit the utilization of sensitive information, and guarantee the security of client data. What are the elements of non-disclosure element? First, there should be parties. If the non-disclosure agreement is unilateral or bilateral or multilateral, it should specify the parties. Then the duration of the contract, for what time period it will be valid. Discrete information must be mentioned. What information is to be kept confidential or private or to be protected. Communication of confidentiality, the purpose for which the sensitive data or information will be used are laid out in this part of non-disclosure agreement. Then resolution of conflict. What is resolution of conflict? The remedial action the parties will take, if any, to address disagreements must be included in the non-disclosure agreement. It will cover other conflict resolution procedure. They may decide to use such as arbitration. So this was all about an NDA from my side. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching.